When someone dies, families are often left unsure what to do next. You are grieving, you are tired, and suddenly there are banks, HMRC, pensions, and probate to deal with, often with no clear guidance. In this video, I'll walk you through a simple step-by-step guide covering who to notify, what to do with bank accounts, what happens to property, how rental income works during probate, when probate is needed, and when you may need support with the tax side. This is a calm, practical video designed to help you get clarity during a very difficult time. Hello, welcome to today's video. My name is Dora. I'm a chartered certified accountant and fellow tax advisor here at Grace Certified Accountants. Now, before we continue, please can I ask you to subscribe to our channel for more tax tips and advice. And if you know of other people that you think will find this information useful, please share with them. Now let's continue. First, register the death. The first step is registering the death. You need a medical certificate of cause of death, the person's details, and a few supporting documents. The registrar will give you a death certificate. I always recommend ordering 5 to 10 copies because you will need them when dealing with banks, pensions, investments, and the property. 2. Use the Tell Us Once service. The government's Tell Us Once service notifies HMRC, DWP, pension services, the local council, DVLA, and passport office. If the Tell Us Once service is not available, you need to notify each organization yourself. 3. Secure the property and finances. Before probate begins, you should contact the bank, request recent statements, freeze accounts to prevent fraud, secure the property, update insurance if the home is now unoccupied, inform tenants if the property is rented. If tenants live in the property, rent continues as normal. It doesn't stop because of the death. 4. Check if probate is required. Probate is normally needed if the person owned property, their assets exceeded the bank's threshold, there is no will, the estate includes investments, a property must be sold or transferred. Probate is normally not needed for joint bank accounts, jointly owned property passing to the surviving owner. If you're unsure, that's fine. Most people are. This is when a probate solicitor or legal executive can step in. 5. Property and rental income. This is the part most families struggle with the most. If there's a property, it becomes part of the estate until probate is granted. The executor manages bills, insurance, mortgage payments, and tenants, if any. If the property was rented out, rental income continues. It must be declared to HMRC as estate income, and allowable expenses can still be claimed. This is the point where I often support families working out the rental accounts and helping with the estate tax return. 6. HMRC and tax returns after death. There are usually 2 tax responsibilities. 1. Final self-assessment. It covers income up to the date of death. 2. Estate tax return, if the estate receives ongoing income. This includes rent, interest, dividends, or other income that continues after death. I assist families with both gathering records, preparing the returns, and communicating with HMRC. Now let's look at inheritance tax or IHT basics. Most estates do not pay inheritance tax, but the form may still be required. IHT depends on estate value, whether the home passes to children, gifts in the last 7 years, spousal exemptions, residence new rate band, joint ownership, and trusts, if any. If you inherit a property or if you're unsure about IHT, you may find my other guides on gifting, the 7-year rule, and inherited property tax helpful. Now, the documents you will need. Gather these early, it will make everything easier. Will, death certificate, bank statements, mortgage statements, property deeds, pension details, life insurance, investments, utility bills, tenancy agreements, identification documents, and probate forms. Now, if you have stayed with me till now and you're finding this information useful, I'm glad. Please, can I remind you to subscribe to our channel for more property tax tips and advice. And if you know other people that you think will find this information useful, please share with them. Thank you so much. Now let's continue. Now, when to speak to a solicitor or legal executive. You need legal help if there is no will, the estate is complex, there are overseas assets, there's property to transfer, probate is definitely required, there are family disputes. I work with a legal executive who manages probate, and I can connect you if needed. Now, let's see when to speak to an accountant. This is where I can help you directly. Families often need support with the final tax return, estate income reporting, rental income during probate, IHT calculations, sorting out the estate's documents, communicating with HMRC, and knowing what they must keep and what they can ignore. You're not expected to know all of this. You have enough to handle emotionally. Losing someone is incredibly difficult. If you need help with the financial or HMRC side, or if you're dealing with property or rental income during probate, you can reach out to me. I can walk you through everything step by step and also connect you to a legal executive for probate if needed. Take things at your own pace. I'm Dora from Grace Certified Accountants. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more property tax tips and advice. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again soon.